Leetcode 242 valid anagram. Given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. What is anagram? An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. So all of my letters present in s and t should be same and in the same number. The rearrangement or the arrangement of the letters can be different. So you can see that a over here occurs 3 times, same over here occurs 3 times, but n, g, r and m occur single times. Similarly for this, and the length of these two are also the same, that is why my output is true. But over here you can see the length is same, but a and t are occurring, sorry, a and r are occurring, but t is not occurring. T and c are extra over here, that is why my output is false. Now the first step we have to do is my length check. If the lengths are same, then there is a possibility that it will be an anagram, but if the lengths are not same, no way it will be an anagram. So directly will return false if lengths are not same. Now my idea over here is I want to take one array int arr equals to new int of size 26. Why? Because from index 0 to 25 I will be storing the frequency of my occurrences of my characters in S. Why I am doing this? Because in my first time I will be storing the occurrences of the characters present in S inside my array in the particular indexes. That is, for example, for A I will be doing plus plus in my first index, and that is 0th index. For B I will be storing plus plus in my index 1. For C I will be doing plus plus in my index 2. Similarly, till index 25 I will be doing plus plus because there are 26 alphabets in my English alphabet. So now we start a for loop from I equals to 0 to I less than s dot length and I plus plus. So for s I will be doing plus plus, and for t I will be doing minus minus. So in the end I should be left with an array having all the elements as 0. If it's not 0, that is if it's greater than 0 or if it's less than 0, that means either one element is extra or one element is less. So if it's greater than 0, that means s has one element extra. If it's less than 0, that is minus 1, that means t has one element less, okay, or t has one element extra. So what we can do over here is in this arr we can do s dot character at particular index I minus a, that means I will be getting the index of my a, that is 0, or b, that is 1, or c, that is 2. And similarly for arr of t dot character at I minus a, I will be doing minus minus so that to neutralize it. Now after this whole thing is done, we will be getting my array of either zeros or minus 1 or plus 1 depending on whether there is extra element or not. If all is 0, that means it's an anagram. So now we'll be starting a loop. So for each value in my arr, for each a in my arr, if my a is not equals to 0, that means it's not an anagram. So we'll return false directly from there. Else we'll just return true, because if this is not false and also this is not false, means everything went well and we have got that this is anagram because everything is 0 in my array. So yes, it is accepted, and let's submit the solution. And it is submitted as well. It beats these kind of solutions. Okay, thank you.